All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about generating traffic for free. So I'm going to go over the top 4 platforms that I'm utilizing right now to generate free traffic to my affiliate links. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm opening up some free calls here in the month of June. If you guys want to get in on this, I basically will sit down with you and help you create your business plan to get you started. All you got to do is smash the link below and sign up for a time. So now back to the video. Welcome back, and we have 4 ways you can start generating traffic to your affiliate link for free. All you need to do is set up 4 free accounts on 4 social media platforms. So the first one I'm going to get into is going to be the almighty powerhouse known as Facebook. And this is something I am personally not utilizing enough right now. So I had started this group. Obviously, the one member is my own personal account. And this is something where you could easily set this up when you set up an Instagram account and connect it through Creator Studio. So that's kind of what I did. I set this up just so I could post to Creator Studio. But it's one of those things where I just don't utilize it, and I don't push my business onto Facebook because I'm piggybacking a lot of it off of Instagram. So Instagram is where I'm going to talk about next, but we're going to hone in on Facebook real quick because they have these things called groups, Facebook groups. And if you're searching groups, you could type in, if you're pushing like cats or something like that. So you do cats and kittens. You can see all these groups about cats and kittens. There's a page about cats and kittens that has, hundreds of viewers. You could even see groups, search groups, cats and kittens, 100 posts a day on this group, 38,000 members. So if you get into these groups and you start engaging with people and really just honing in, this is not going to be a overnight success. None of what I'm talking about is an overnight success. There's a lot of work. So this one, Crazy About Cats, almost 100,000 members. 15K for free cats and kittens, 12K, 18K. So it's like if you jump in these groups and you just start talking to people and communicating with them, don't spam the groups and don't be too annoying and don't just blast through DMs. Sit there and just start communicating with people and building a relationship. And that's what goes into number 2, which is going to be the almighty Instagram. Instagram is a great tool to promote anything. It's just a powerful platform, and I can easily schedule things out and communicate, and I get comments and you get traffic and feed. I got 4,000 followers just by being consistent and showing up every day. You could pay for, you could do the paid traffic and you could gain followers quicker, but the follower count doesn't matter when it comes to making sales. It's the quality of the person that's actually looking at the account and seeing what they want to purchase from you or use from you. The next platform I'm going to talk about is on the rise right now. A lot of people don't really know about this one, and it's Pinterest. Pinterest is probably one of the top platforms right now for gaining traction. I actually just joined a few days ago, and you could see I'm not getting anywhere, but I'm not really doing a lot of promotion. And again, I'm not putting a lot of time into Pinterest. What I do is I just easily create the pins based off of my YouTube videos or Instagram posts. And I set 2 to 3 out a day. I could easily schedule these to be posted later. And just go on and do that. So when people actually click something, they'll click the real cost of affiliate marketing, it'll open up the pin. And then it'll actually be linked to my YouTube video. So I actually link it straight to my YouTube video that talks about the real cost of affiliate marketing. I have a little write-up. I could tag a product. So there's a lot you could do with Pinterest. And they actually have a business account that'll show you the analytics and stuff like that. So if you go to Business Hub, you could actually see some of the your pins and how they're doing, outbound clicks and the whole nine, how much you're spending on ads if you're paying for ads and things like that. So Pinterest is really on the rise right now. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Again, I am just getting my feet wet. My Pinterest account is about a week old. I only got 50 views. So it's still on the rise. The next I'm going to talk about is the almighty and where you guys are right now, YouTube. There is absolutely zero bad things to start a YouTube channel. Even if you don't want to talk, you could just record yourself talking, or you could find other areas to get free videos, use like Creative Commons to start something like that and gain traction. Again, like I started actively working on this YouTube channel just about a month and a half ago, and I've gotten 23 subscribers just by cross promoting through other platforms out there. I haven't even like done any paid ads on any of this to try to gain subscribers quicker. It's just putting out the information and having traction like that. So those are my 4 top platforms. I'm actually going to give you a 5th bonus one because you hung around. But first, I'm going to need you to subscribe to my channel below, and make sure you smash that like button and comment which platform you like the most. So my bonus one is going to be the almighty TikTok. So TikTok is probably one of the hottest platforms right now, and you guys are probably surprised it's not in my top 4, but it is my bonus. It is my secret one. It is the one that you should be on if you are not. And it is very easy to just sit there and make a 15 to 60 second video and just post it. People are literally making livings off of this platform alone. It has completely exploded in growth over the last 2 years. And it is, especially for affiliate marketing, one of the top platforms right now, because you could do a lot with that video in a short amount of time. My thought process with TikTok is what I could show you in 60 seconds is what most people go to YouTube and will spend 5 to 10 minutes on. So if people are that interested in a sub 60 second video, then they will be more interested in the other services and content that you provide to them. So the better you are creating content for TikTok, and Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, the better chance you're gonna have of actually making that connection and making that sale. So again, those are my top 5 platforms, 4 that I actually like and use, and the 5th one is a massive, massive bonus. So if you guys are just getting started, my number 1 tip is go to these 5 platforms and snag your accounts right off the bat. Even if you're not planning on posting or cross-posting between the platforms, there's still a lot you could do with just making sure you lock that stuff in now. And here's my bonus tip. So the content you create for any of the platforms, you could always cross-post it on all of these platforms too. If you're creating TikToks, you could download those TikToks, make sure they don't have the watermark, and you could upload them to your Pinterest as an idea pin. So Pinterest has these things called an idea pin, which are like 60-second shorts. So post it to your idea pin, post it to Instagram Reels, and then more importantly, post it to YouTube Shorts. So now you create one content and you could plaster that across all of your platforms. If you're creating YouTube videos, what I start to do is YouTube is a completely different audience than Instagram. People on Instagram are likely not going to be like jumping over to YouTube to watch a longer video. So I even start cross-posting some of my YouTube videos that have done very well on YouTube with Instagram TV and getting that out there, and utilizing the IGTV feature. So now, just think about that right off the bat. I'm creating this video now, and now I could post it on IGTV and again on my YouTube. So I have two ways I could do that. I have 4 ways I could deal with Reels, and all this stuff could be shared into your Facebook group. So Facebook, they even have the story idea too, so you could still post stories, post links, and the whole 9. So all of this traffic that you're doing across all these different platforms could still be funneled into that Facebook group that you're going to be an admin on. So there's your free tips of the day. Hope this video helped you. If you guys want to accelerate your growth, smash the link below and let's get in contact. I'll see you guys in the next video.